Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1964 Chevrolet Malibu convertible. Great car, guys. Buddy of mine, Steven, is the one who found this car for me. He actually found it. It was sitting in a brand new Chevrolet dealer's showroom. Great car, recent body up restoration. Love the color combination. It's ember red with the red interior. It's got the white convertible top. It is a manual top, but nice car, guys. My wife and I actually jumped in this thing and drove it for, I don't know, a couple days at the cruise we were at when we bought it. This is a good car. It's not a race car, but it runs and drives excellent. Did really good in the heat, did really good in the traffic. I mean, there's really not much you can nitpick on the car. Paint's nice, interior's nice, and like I say, they've upgraded some things. It's got tubular front control arms, it's got disc brakes, it's got the 350 trans, which became stock with a power glide. But man, just a really good car. You can see it's got, you know, a couple little dings that you can nitpick in the trim. But this is a really nice car. Slick paint. Car's got a great look. Of course, I love that it's got the 15-inch Cragar SS's all the way around it. I love that look. Car's got a good stance. Factory padded dash, that was an option. It also has the deluxe front seat belts. I love the red on red. Again, it is a manual top, goes down nice and easy. One person can do it. So crack right there. Really good car. Again, this stuff's original, but still very nice. Good straight body. I know they put rear floorboards in the car. That was one thing I noticed. You can see it's nice and flat down the sides. Got good stance. Again, those are 15-inch Cragars all the way around it. Chrome's nice, bumpers are nice. And really a pleasure to drive. I mean, you turn the key, point the direction, and go. Good looking paint, I'll tell you that. Whoever painted the car did a nice job. They converted it to front disc brakes. This car would come stock with drums. It's got the dual chrome bow tie mirrors on it. This is actually a 66 date coded 327 engine. Stock 2-barrel, stock exhaust manifold, stock intake manifold, chrome air cleaner. It's got a really cool set of finned aluminum valve covers on it. And again, you can see the tubular control arms down there. It really makes a difference when you're driving it down the road. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got a brand new wiper motor in it. We had to put it in there. It's got the stock Harrison radiator with a shroud. Like I said, it did great in traffic. And they also have added the 350 turbohydramatic trans in it. Good looking car, man. A little dust up here, seeing the guys miss, but I love the red. It's pretty. Boy, A-pillar chrome is really nice. Again, it's got the dual chrome bow tie mirrors. Door handles look good. Looks like they put new door rubbers on it. I love the red interior. Little mark there. Factory bench seats, got the stock dash and gauges, stock steering wheel. Interior is really nice. I'd say this has all been replaced. Looks like new carpet. And you can see a couple little chips in the steering wheel. It's factory steering wheel. Showing 31,000. I asked about it. He was not sure about the mileage actually on the resto. I'm sure that's 130 on the actual car. It's got an aftermarket retro sounds radio. Again, padded dash. This dash insert is really nice. I wouldn't be surprised if that's not brand new. I mean, it looks beautiful. Dual exhaust, stock 10-bolt rear end, no big gear, you know, stock 323 or somewhere in there. It's definitely a cruiser. There's your boot for the top. That's brand new. Jack was spare. Again, this is your manual for your radio, your original top folding instructions, owner's manuals. He's got some other little, you know, like dealer brochures. It's all spackled in the trunk. Yeah, you guys go ahead and start popping that up.
Got it? Yep.
Again, car's clean underneath. They have put new rear floor pans in the car. I did see that. You'll see that in the picture. I'll show you the top, plastic rear window. It's a new top. Top's in great shape. Good. There's a little lock, Gary. You got to push it down and it'll lock it down. See what Jordan's doing? Yep. I believe all this interior is new, guys. Again, it does have the deluxe in the front. I don't see them in the rear. That dash pad looks brand new too. Again, look how nice that gauge cluster is. Jordan, fire it up here. Again, really just a bone stock 327. No big cam or anything in it. And like I say, it drove outstanding. Hit the road great. Yeah, if you're looking for a nice driver, I think you're really going to like that car. This body style's not easy for me to get either. I don't see a ton of them. Near the radio in there working, there's really not. There's a fuel gauge, it functions. Everything else is really on the idiot lights. And hopefully you can see the lights back here. Backup lights do work. Hopefully you can see that. Radio works. I know the blower motor works. A wiper switch we had to put down low. Oh, we got a light out. Make sure you remind my guys of that. They'll make sure they get that. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. It's a great way to keep in touch with us. great day, guys.